Here's our day 2. We're back with our bands. Notice I have our black band and our red band. Remember I talked about our black band is a little more, it has more strength to it, has more resistance, whereas our red band is just about 5 to 10 pounds less. So make sure you're using the right band and making sure that you look exactly like I do if you're in the mirror participating with this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our scap push-ups first. Our scap push-ups, remember, it's just our shoulder blades. We're going to be in a push-up position. Our shoulders are tight, and whenever we do this, we're actually just going to keep our arms straight, and we're going to release our shoulder blades, squeeze, and then push back up. So this is nothing but shoulder blade squeeze, push back up. So here I am in an athletic position where I'm going to release my shoulder blades and then push back up. So you have those scap push-ups. Again, it's just our shoulder blades. Those are called your scapulas. So we are working on that upper back strength. So for our band exercise, I'm going to actually start with my red band. If you have your red band, go ahead and use it. If you don't have your red band, use your black one. But again, it is with one foot. Okay, first exercise we're going to do. So with my bands, I'm going to start with my hands facing my legs. So palms are facing my legs. And then I'm just going to step in to my band. Again, if you don't want as much resistance, you want it to be lighter and easier, use one foot. I'm going to go ahead and use two, chest up, hips underneath me, and I'm going to pull my elbows to where they go high up over my shoulders, and then I'm going to resist on the way down. Okay, so palms to the armpits, elbows high, and then back down. What you don't want to see is an arched back whenever you do this. So whenever you are actually in that posture, again, shoulders are pulled back, hips tucked, because we can become so easily pulled forward. So keep our shoulders forward, our hips tucked underneath, so squeeze your butt, and then palms go to your armpits, elbows high, and then resist on the way down. Now, the next exercise is our overhead press. Because I'm taller, I'm going to go ahead and go to 1 foot. This one is extremely important to stay under control. Please stay under control, because when you go over your head, you can injure yourself. So our hands are in the same position. All we're going to do is put it up over our head, like up over our shoulders. So we're going to push our palms to the sky, knuckles up. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to push straight up under control, and then slowly resist on the way down. Notice my elbows are in, they are not pushed out. So my hands and my palms are pushing up to the sky, under control, and then resist on the way back down, okay? You do not want to push up and then let the band drop you down. That's where injuries can occur. If the band goes over your head behind you, that's where injuries can occur. So take your time with this. The next exercise is our band curl. I'm gonna actually go to my black band. Your biceps are probably one of the strongest muscle groups in your arms. So I'm going to step, again, palms facing forward. I'm going to step 2 feet in, and when my palms are facing forward, I'm going to pull my thumbs up to the sky. Okay, so that doesn't mean this. I'm just going to pull my fist up, and I'm going to keep my elbows locked in, chest up, back tight, and I'm going to pull my thumbs up to my shoulders, and I'm going to go back down. Thumbs up to the shoulders, it's called a hammer curl, and then arms back down under control. Notice my elbows are staying in line with my body, and they are not flaring out. What I mean by flaring out is pulling like this. Okay, we don't want them to flare out. Attach them to your body and don't let them go. Another thing I don't want to see you do is when you get here, is to pull your hands out. Keep your hands as if you're driving, like you want to drive when you get older, right? So as if you're driving with the steering wheel, or your elbows are tucked in, your thumbs are up, all the way up, and then all the way back down.